In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use advanced search in Asana. We'll start right from the Asana home screen. So open Asana and make sure you're on home. At the very top, you'll see the search bar. Click it to begin. This opens search, and to access the powerful filters, open the panel on the left by clicking the icon with 3 horizontal lines. That's where advanced search lives. Begin by typing what you're looking for into the search field. This can be a task name, a keyword from a description, or even something mentioned in a comment. Keep your keywords short and specific. You can always refine further with filters. Next, set where Asana should look. Use the located option to limit results to a particular project, portfolio, or team. Choosing a location prevents unrelated tasks from appearing and speeds up your search. Refine by status to control whether you want incomplete tasks, completed tasks, or both. This is especially helpful if you're auditing finished work or focusing on what's still open. Use Assign To target tasks owned by a specific person, or pick yourself to see your responsibilities across projects. If you're not sure who owns the work, leave this blank and let keywords and location do the heavy lifting. Dial in timing with due date. Choose a single date, a range like this week or next month, or a custom window. Narrowing by due date helps you prioritize and surfaces time-sensitive items first. If collaboration matters, filter by collaborators to find tasks where certain teammates are looped in. This captures tasks they follow even if they aren't the assignee. For even more precision, click Add Filter. Here you can layer additional criteria such as tags or custom fields your team relies on. Add only what you need. Too many filters can hide relevant results. If things feel too narrow, remove a filter and broaden your view. When your filters are set, click Search to run the query. Your results will appear instantly, and you can scan titles, assignees, and dates to confirm you're seeing exactly what you need. If the results aren't quite right, tweak any filter in the left panel, adjust your keyword, and click Search again until it's perfect. That's it. From home, open search, expand the filter panel, type your keyword, set location, status, assignee, due date, collaborators, add any extra filters you need, and run the search.